2, and 1. Hey, this is Joe Pep, live behind the scenes at the 47th Annual AACA Car Show here in beautiful Wilmington, North Carolina. And I'm with
Andrea Rush.
Andrea Rush, and what are we showing off today?
A 1973 Volkswagen Thing.
I can take that.
This is my father's car, and he acquired it.
Your father's the famous film producer of all the Walt Disney movies, right?
No, my father is the infamous Kurt Mason.
Kurt Mason was a guest on our show on Every Car Has a Story last April, and he did a great job with his Hudson. And so show us off your Volkswagen here.
This is such an awesome car. So this is a 1973 Volkswagen Thing. My father acquired it at a car show in Winchester, or saw it at a car show in Winchester, Virginia. And we have a long history of things in our family. I drove one in high school. My sister drove one in high school. My father had 2. So we love these cars. They're so fun. They're like a tuna can with wheels.
Well, let's take a look on the side here. Oh, I see you have your custom rag top here.
Umbrella.
That's great.
I'll get that off real
No, that's okay. That's good. That's good. That's good. Because we can go underneath here. Wow.
You can see there's not a whole lot in there.
And you got a suicide knob on it, too.
Yep. No airbag.
No airbags. No nothing.
Motor in the back, like all good Volkswagens.
Yeah. That's great. Now, someone told me that these were used by the German Army.
They were started by the German Army. That's how they got their start, and they were German staff cars.
German staff cars, wow.
Yep.
And they say, give me that thing over there. I need to get over here really quick. Oh, check out the license plate. That's really cool. Wow.
Yeah.
And the sun is coming out. You brought out the sun. Yay! Excellent. Wow, what a neat car. A fun car, too.
They're such fun. The windshield goes down, the doors come off, everything's fun.
Great beach car.
It's a fantastic beach car.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much.
Yeah,
it was a pleasure. Anybody want to say hello to out down home?
My sweet husband, Rodney. I love you.
Hello, Rodney.
In Texas.
All right, kids. Rodney, keep the home fires burning there. This is Joe Pep, behind the scenes, 47th Annual AACA Car Show. Hey, pal. And we'll be back with more fun cars.